In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add Crem Dust to your miniatures as if they are treading across the shattered plains on Roshar. What you'll need for this tutorial is some pigments, and for this one I envision the shattered plains as a brownish red, and so I got burnt sienna as the pigment. Basically, these are dry paint flecks that you apply to the mini and you get this kind of effect. So you're going to open up the bottle. Be careful, do not sneeze, do not blow on this. It gets everywhere. Just get my brush in there, drop some into the cap, put that somewhere where I won't sneeze on it. And then I'm going to brush it around a little bit and then start just putting it on the mini. And you don't have to be really precise with it because you can just move it around. So here I'm trying to get in the crevices a little bit, and then I can come back in and clean it up later. So after you get a good amount on there, you can come back through, clean off your brush a little bit, and try to reveal the raised areas, bring back that gold color. So now we can see this mini, he's kind of part of the environment. Now it's not an exact match with the pigments and the color of the base I used here, but the intent behind it, you can kind of see there, trying to blend the mini in with the world that they are in. Here I have one of my Alethi Spearman proxy guys, and all I'm going to do is brush my brush inside of there, pick up some of the pigments, and then start dabbing it on the lower area of the mini. Now, it doesn't show up too well on the black, so if you're using black boots, this might be a little bit of a problem, but get some more pigments, start shoving it into the recesses, and we'll put it on his tunic. I think this one turned out pretty well, especially on the tunic area and the boots. It's pretty cool. And now I haven't applied varnish to these. I know there's some that say that you need to add varnish after you put pigments on. This dry application, I've had some on some minis for about a month and I haven't had them come off. I've had them dusted, I've blown on them. They aren't coming off.